Hey guys, welcome to eComHardy.com. This is Hardik Patel, and in this short tutorial video I'm going to show you how to set up to sell to specific countries only in your WooCommerce website. So if I have this WooCommerce website and if I select any particular item, add to cart, just imagine this one, and once I add to cart, view cart, or maybe go to checkout. So after viewing the cart, I go to checkout, and here if you see on the checkout page, country region section, I have two different countries, Australia and New Zealand. So if I'm my customers from New Zealand also can purchase this particular web product, and also from the Australia. If I want to set up this kind of country selection, how could I do that? So let's get started. Go to WooCommerce admin panel or WordPress admin panel if I say, and under the WordPress admin panel, go to WooCommerce plugin section settings. Here the first tab, general tab. Under the general tab, if you go down, general options, and here you have to select this option. So select selling locations, sell to specific countries, sell to all countries, sell to all countries except for. By default, WooCommerce select and give you the default option, which is select to all countries and make your store available to all the country customers. But you don't want that. You just want to sell your items to only from the particular country customers. So in my case, if I want to select Australia and New Zealand only, or if I want to add United States as well, I can just simply search United States, and that's it. So whatever countries I want to add and sell to specific those countries, I just select and enter those options. Once after selecting those options, I go and select these options, shipping location. So under the shipping location, the best option to go with is ship to all countries you sell to. But in some specific circumstances, if you want to allow customers from your or particular countries to purchase, but they can ship to any countries you want. So it doesn't matter if the customers are from Australia, New Zealand, and United States, but still if you want them to even ship to other countries, like ship to specific countries, which includes Australia, New Zealand, United States, United Kingdom, and maybe Canada. So from these country customers, they can purchase from your website, but they can also change the shipping address to any of these countries. That's how you can do. But in most cases, people select this option. The first one, ship to all countries you sell to. So simply go with that option if you just want these particular customers to purchase and ship to these particular locations only. So in my case, it could be Australia, New Zealand, United States, but in your case could be different. It could be only maybe India and maybe Sri Lanka. Okay, so in your case could be India and Sri Lanka, or in your case could be maybe Pakistan. Okay, so whichever countries you want to select, you just simply define those countries, and that's it. And that way, let me show you the right example now. New Zealand, and maybe add Canada. Okay, and once after you select your countries, simply go down and save changes. Once you save the changes, make sure you purge the cache. Once you purge the cache, if you go and check out your website and add any particular item to the cart and go to checkout page, if you select country and region option, under the drag down menu, you can see all the countries you selected or added would show up here. So that's how simple it is. Hope you enjoy watching this video, guys. Please thumbs up to this video. It will help me a lot. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorial videos on this channel, and please don't forget to hit the bell icon so you will be notified for each and every videos I upload on this channel. Please let me know if you have any questions or suggestions, and I would like to answer you as soon as possible. Thank you. Take care. See you next time. Bye-bye.